The best way to learn App Inventor, Bankable, App Builder, or any other similar platform is by creating apps with them. All of us have an idea about our dream app, and this idea may have just arisen in order to fulfill a particular need in your society, or it may have arisen in order to create a different game that would be used by millions of people around the globe. And right after you find that your idea is good enough for creating an app, you will start building your app using one of the platforms like App Inventor. And while you start creating your app, after some point of time, you will realize that you don't have enough knowledge about how to proceed. And at this point of time, you directly go to one of their community websites and try to post a question. But what I would recommend you is that instead of posting a question, you should learn about these platforms. The reason is that even though someone will answer your question, even in that case, you will not be able to understand what they have replied. So, what is necessary at this point of time is the knowledge, and you have to work in order to gain that knowledge. If you ask me how you will gain that knowledge, then first and the best source that I would recommend you is a documentation that is created by Bankable.com. It is wonderful and there are so many details available there. And the next thing that I would refer you is visiting a website called puravida.com, where you have so many tutorials available. And apart from that, the best way to learn App Inventor is by creating apps. But in this case, you will not be creating your own app, rather, you will be creating apps following different tutorials. There are so many tutorials that help you to create a particular app. Visit the YouTube channel of Bankable. What you have to do is just follow them and create the app that they explain. There's nothing wrong to create an app that someone has already created, because you will get to know about how you have to use different components and how you have to use different blocks in order to get a particular result. You will gain so much of awareness regarding the platform if you follow different tutorials. And while in the process, if you follow different tutorials, you will be very amazed to know that how a particular component can be used in different ways.